Welcome, everyone, to Ocean City, Maryland, where repairs to Captain Bill Bunting's Angler Restaurant from the 2021 Halloween Night Fire are underway. The fire marshal's office concluded that no foul play was involved, and the blaze was started by an electrical malfunction. The Angler Restaurant's humble beginnings began around the turn of the 20th century when Charles Rollins Bunting purchased the property where the seafood house now stands. While the elder Bunting toiled on a fish pound boat, his 5 sons began a small angling business. As the enterprise grew, a small wharf was needed, and Ocean City issued the Buntings the town's first dock permit. In the 1930s, after the Great Hurricane of '33 that created the inlet, Charles' son, William, built a 20 by 20 foot building where he sold fishing bait, sodas, and rented small boats. His wife, Louise, started selling homemade pies and serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner out of the dock office. And voila, the Angler Restaurant was born. Thanks for joining us as we continue to explore Ocean City's past and present.